sink or float.
Yes. Are you excited? Yeah.
Do you know why things sink or float? No. Do you know the word density?
Oh, it's density.
Density? It's how much stuff is in something. It's the compactness of it. How compact is something? So, how compact is the water versus how compact the thing you're putting into the water?
The water.
Water has a density of like 1 kilogram per meter cube. And in America, we would say that's like roughly 64 point change pounds per foot cube, because we work off of a different system. So, it's how much something is compacted. If it's compacted a whole lot, then it's going to sink. If it's not compacted, it's going to float. If I threw you in there, would you sink or float? Which one would you do? You better hope so, because I don't want to lose you. Okay, are you ready for your first objects?
It's a down.
Come over here. Come over here. You stay over here with me. Ready? What are these?
It's a penny.
That's a penny. What is this? Quarter. What is that? A dime. Yes, very
You're
good.
so smart.
On the bottom.
And what is this?
It's Philippine coin.
That's it.
It's Monopoly money.
No, that's
No.
a 5 peso coin from the Philippines.
It's 5 paper stools from the Philippines. Do you think these are going to sink or float?
So we're trying coins.
Coins? Do you think the coins are going to sink or float? Sink?
Sink?
Okay, toss them in. You got them? Can you get them all? You can come back twice.
Whoa. It's straight to the bottom.
Straight to the bottom. They sunk. Why? Because there's stuff in there that's really compact compared to the water. Hey, come back over here.
Next item.
Come here. Who's this?
It's getting glue.
Come back here and get him. Is he going to sink or float? Is he going to sink or float? I'm not going to let him go until I get an answer.
Sink or float?
Sink or float? Sink or float? Sink or float?
You're gonna say sink or float?
That's after the fact.
You want to see it first.
That's cheating.
They're cheating.
That's cheating.
Oh, you want to get it?
You want it?
Daddy will help.
I'm sure on the sea nice.
A banana next.
Banana? Does a banana sink or float?
I choose
Sink?
sink. Go try
Toss it in.
Oh, yes.
No!
The
It
banana
floats.
floats. How about, what's this? Lemon. Does a lemon sink or float? You think it sinks? Okay, toss it in.
Oh,
Oh, wait,
Wait a minute.
no, it went down.
it's down to the bottom.
What it sinks? I was guessing it will float.
Sink.
It's sunk because the stuff that's inside of it is really compact. What are these?
These are forks.
One is metal and one is plastic. Which one do you think one of these is going to float? You think they're both going to sink? Are they both going to sink or are they both going to float? Or one sink, one float? Which one's this one going to do? Sink or float? The metal one's going to sink. How about the plastic one? Plastic sink or float?
Well,
Okay, so
Whoa.
the metal's gonna sink.
That's what I'm
and the
thinking too.
Plastic's gonna flow. Toss it in. Oops. Oh no! They both sunk.
What are both sunk? I thought the plastic one would float.
The plastic is still more dense than the water.
Serious?
Yeah.
I thought they're both gonna
What's
float.
this? You don't know?
It's a hanger.
It's a
Hanger, yeah.
Is the hanger gonna sink or float? See?
Oh,
Okay, toss it in. Oh. You gotta put it.
He's putting it to sink.
I want it to sink. Push it down.
It floats, honey.
Floats.
Let it go. We'll see. Let it go.
Let it go. Are you fishing?
Let it go. Next
How about a big one? What is this? This is a frisbee for frisbee golf. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Sink? Okay, you toss that out in there. It does sink.
Nice. You are right.
How about this? What is this? It's a bug? How about it's a beetle? Do you know what kind of beetle it is? It's got a long trunk here. It's an atlas beetle. Do you think it's going to sink or float? Sink? Toss it in. It floats. You're trying to push it down. How about this? It's a plastic bowl. Do you think the plastic bowl is going to sink or float? Sink? Toss it in. It floats. But what if we take the plastic bowl and what if we go like this with it and we fill it full of water? Oh, it's still
sink. It still floats. Even with water?
Yeah, it still floats. How about this? What's this?
It's
A sponge. Sink or float? Oh, I don't think so.
You want it to sink? It floats.
Okay, you ready for the next thing?
Yes.
You see this on the internet a lot. Soda. One is diet and one is regular. Now on the internet, one of these sinks and one of them floats. And I'm going to tell you because one of them has a lot more sugar in it than the other one. So we're going to try to see which one sinks or floats. And I'm going to put these in because I don't want you to throw them because they're really heavy. Okay? Here we go. There it is.
The diet floats. Put it down.
Put it down.
Let it go, honey.
Let it go. The diet will float because the
And the
diet
regular sunk.
has
is
less
so
sugar
cool.
than the other one. Therefore, it's got less mass. And the compactness of it can get even closer. In this one, so this one sinks. This
Look at that. They're both soda and up. So cool.
One sinks, one floats. Right? Daddy's gonna have these with his banana, I guess. Okay. This? No, this is a bottle of alcohol. And it's sealed. It's sealed. Do you think this is gonna sink or float? You think this is gonna sink?
Let him do it.
I think it's gonna sink too. Put it in.
I'm gonna think it's gonna float.
Put it in.
Whoa! It
Oh.
floats. One more time.
I would have thought that it was gonna
floats.
sink. What do we got here? Rubber ducky. You may sink and float, so much fun. Sink or float? Really?
Oh, you sure?
Are you sure?
Yeah, okay. Mama gonna guess it's gonna float.
It floats.
It floats.
It floats. Thanks. How many times have you played with that in your bed?
Floats.
Oh, it's sinking. It's gonna be a submarine. Oh, it's gonna come back up.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
Next.
What are these?
Pencils.
Colored
Pencils.
pencil. Does the color make any difference? Does what color they are make any difference whether they're going to sink or float?
Yes.
You really? You think color makes a difference? They're all going to sink. Or is a certain color going to float?
Sink.
All sink? Okay, throw them in, let's see.
They're all
They all float.
floats.
So color doesn't make any difference.
Put it back. Let's see.
See? Ooh.
Agitate. Ooh, one more.
One more.
Agitate,
These.
agitate.
These are baby shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Yeah, you have to cut that out. It's copyright.
No, it's
Are the
that.
sharks on a sink or float?
Oh, are you sure?
Are you sure? I think
Sink
they're
or
gonna
float?
Floats. Floats. It's a shark. It floats.
Well, real shark sinks. I know.
How about this? How about a cell phone?
That's Daddy's old phone.
Does a cell phone sink or float? It sinks? Careful, toss it in.
Sinks. You are right.
Oh, I got a couple more things here. How about colored balls? Do they sink or float?
No.
No. Do you think these colors are plastic filled with air? Do you think they sink or float?
Okay. Oh. Oh, floats and yeah.
How about this? How about some AutoZone Rewards membership card? Sink or float? Sink. Yep.
Yeah.
And what are these? What are these? Huh?
How about sunglasses?
Are those your sunglasses?
Yes.
Do they sink or float? Put them in.
You are right.
You're right. So we got one last thing. What are these?
These are balls.
Marbles? They're not marbles.
These are colors.
They're Orbeez.
Orbeez.
They're giant Orbeez.
Giant Orbeez.
What? Do Orbeez sink or float?
Sink.
Sink? Toss it in.
Oh, they really sink. Ha, I can't even see it.
Yeah, the one is so blue that
I can't see it.
it's blue. That one is blue. It's right here.
I need to go near to see it.
It's almost the same color as that frisbee. So when it lands on top of the frisbee, it like
Where is it?
Like
I can't even
disappears.
see it. I can't even see it.
it's right here. See? And then when I drop it on the frisbee,
Oh my god.
it disappears.
I can see it. I can't see it.
It's right there. It's right there.
The reward card.
See? And then when I drop it on the frisbee,
Yeah. Oh my god. Where's the pink one? Huh? Where's the pink one, honey? Did you eat it? Oh my god, where's the pink one? This one?
I don't know where it is.
Oh, it broke!
Oh, the pink one broke. Here's the other part of the pink one. Here's the other parts of the pink one. The blue one's right here.
Can you toss the soda in again?
Oops. Toss the soda in again.
Yeah. So cool.
Hey, down. Easy.
Oh, easy.
Ready? Soda in one last time for Mama.
So cool.
Which coin do you want, buddy?
The dime.
I can't get the coin off the floor. I got no nails.
Honey, don't put them in your mouth.
The soda, one has less sugar, so it floats. Less sugar means less stuff. So therefore it's less stuff to be compacted. Because density,
That lemon,
the equation,
I was surprised because I thought it's gonna float.
the equation for density is density is equal to mass divided by volume. So it's how much mass is in something divided by its volume. So these two sodas, you know, despite having outward appearance that they look different, they have the same volume. The cans are identical except for the colors on the outside. So if the volume of the soda is not changing, then the mass on the inside has to change to make the equation go unbalanced so that one floats and one doesn't float. And where that difference in mass comes in is in the sugar. If you read on the back, the ingredients are listed in order of how much is there. And in this one, one of the first ingredients is high fructose corn syrup. And that's essentially sugar. And in the diet,
What do you want? You want the coin?
the diet
Give it a coin.
is aspartame.
Don't put it back if you want it.
as
Just
a-
don't put
as
it
a
in your
sweetener.
mouth.
And aspartame is the sweetener in the diet. So that changes the mass and that changes the equation. And that's why one will sink and one will float.
Yeah. It's basically because of the sugar
Because of the
content.
sugar. Yeah. One's got high fructose corn syrup, one's got aspartame for the sugar, what makes it sweet. So the volume's the same, the mass changes.
Say, please subscribe. Thank you.
Say bye. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
This Orbeez is awesome.
Yeah, it's
like,
cool.
Disappears in the water. The reason why this Orbeez disappears is it's essentially filled with water itself. So if I put these two lemons in there,
How that possible?
one sinks, one floats. Okay? Now,
Maybe the other one is old one? I don't know, we bought it at the same time.
you have to understand the science behind this. It's the same principle as why that soda, one sinks and one floats. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. One of these lemons has to have either a greater volume or a greater mass for it to have a density for one of them to be less than water and one of them to be greater than water. That's the exact science behind it. So if you look at these two lemons, they're kind of close in size, you know? I mean, without figuring out the exact volume of which lemon is greater, you know, I can't tell you just by eyeballing it which one has the greater volume. So you need to think which one has the greater mass, okay? And I'm gonna say that one of them is heavier than the other.
Come down.
And you can feel it in your hand when you're holding on to them.
This
Okay?
was possibility. The other one is older, rotten inside or something.
Not rotten. There's more stuff in the one that sinks pushed closer together. That is what density is. It's the compactness of the stuff that's inside the volume. So if the volume's the same, there has to be more stuff pushed closer together inside one of them. So one of them has more, well, what's inside of a lemon, okay?
Yeah.
More sugar, more liquid, more,
And this one is harder. The ones
Yeah.
the ones that floats. This one is softer, but it's
you can, if you're holding on to it, you can physically,
floats.
you can physically
it
tell there's,
sinks. See,
you can tell there's a difference in the lemon.
the other one floats. Oh my god, that is so crazy cool.
Yeah. So one of these lemons, you want to do something interesting? Can we sacrifice these lemons?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it like this. Let's have a taste test. And see.
Taste test.
Okay. Well, follow me on this. Right?
I don't.
We can tell the difference in taste between Pepsi and Diet Pepsi, correct? One of them
Yeah.
is going to have a really sweet taste because one of them has high fructose corn syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try to see.
So if one of these lemons has more sugar inside of it, okay, then that one should sink. So let's figure out which one sinks. This one. So the one in my right hand sinks, and the one in my left hand floats. Now let's get a knife.
This is the one that
sinks.
sinks. This is the one that floats.
Floats. Yes. So
Sugar.
we're gonna find out.
Sugar.
Let's see.
Sugar.
This is your floater,
That's the floater.
and this is your sinker.
That's the sinker.
And oh, I can tell you that the difference in the lemon, when I cut that open, I can totally smell the difference in the
Oh,
lemon.
look at the rhyme. The one. It's
Yep. This
So
was
thin and so-
this was the sinker.
sinker.
This was the floater. Okay? So if I taste these,
It's like a shot. It's like salt. It's like salt.
see if I taste the difference.
My coin! My coin! No. My coin! My coin! My coin! Yeah.
I can't taste the difference.
No?
No.
Let me. This is the sinker?
Well, just toss it in half. And that's the
That's a
floater.
floater. This is the sinker.
I can't taste the difference.
This is sour. So sour than this.
Oh, is it?
Yes, this
This
is.
one's sour?
That's the floater.
That's the floater. So then that one has more sugar in it than this one.
That's
So
why it sinks.
there you go. It sinks because it has more sugar in it. I can't taste the difference, you know, but that's,
This is so sour than this.
my taste buds might be just be off.
Maybe this one is older than this. You know, more ripe. Riper is the word?
Yeah, it could be that it's you know, as fruit hangs on a tree,
Riper.
it becomes.
Is a riper a word?
I don't know if riper is a word. We're gonna make it a word. Today, riper is a word. So if you know, the longer it hangs there on the tree, the more
You want to taste the lemon?
it.
Yeah?
It's so sour.
So sour.
The other one. This one, no?
So sour.
Yeah,
Sour?
so sour. Are we done with this syncope? Yeah? You enjoy it? Yes? Say bye-bye.